This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome is conveniently located downtown close to so many amenities. The main floor contains a 2-car garage and laundry, second floor has the kitchen, living, dining and half bath, third floor features 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This unit does have a chair lift to all 3 floors. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.